everyone and welcome to our channel Nursery to Varsity. Now you all must be thinking, what is Nursery to Varsity? So to clear your confusions, let me tell you about us. Nursery to Varsity is an initiative to enlighten the global public with the knowledge of several miscellaneous fields. It is a platform which aims at providing the best quality of study material to the aspirants. We, as a team, aim at covering topics of mass interest ranging from nursery level to university level. Knowledge is ubiquitous, but we strive to present the scattered information in a systematic manner to become the best source of online education. Our vision. Our ultimate goal is to impart the knowledge of various fields through systematically organized courses to provide a globally accessible library of unlimited resources of various fields. Our mission. The mission of Nursery to Varsity is committed to bring the best online studying experience to students, educators, creative professionals around the world through its innovative online video courses comprising of detailed presentations, notes and sample answers to various questions. We have taken this initiative to provide knowledge to all the students out there in different fields. This is for the betterment of education because we believe the more we will study, the more we will evolve. To evolve more, stay tuned with us and keep watching our upcoming videos on various topics. Thank you.